Hey, what is going on guys? Techthusiast here, and today we have a battery charge test between the Honor View 10 against the OnePlus 5T. Now with that being said, let's get started. The Honor View 10 has a 3750 mAh battery. It comes with their supercharger and a white USB Type-C cable. The OnePlus 5T has a smaller 3300 mAh battery. It comes with the dash charger and a red USB Type-C cable. Both of the batteries are flat. I'll just switch the plug on now and start the timer, and I'll take the first reading at the 5-minute mark. So at 5 minutes the Honor View 10 is at 7% and the OnePlus 5T is also at 7%. 15 minutes later the Honor View 10 is at 23% and the OnePlus 5T is at 26%. At the half an hour mark, the Honor View 10 is at 48% and the OnePlus 5T at 54%. At 45 minutes, the Honor View 10 is at 67% and the OnePlus 5T at 78%, so it's ahead by 11%. At the 1 hour mark, the Honor View 10 is at 84% and the OnePlus 5T is at 91%. 10 minutes later, the Honor View 10 is at 90% and the OnePlus 5T at 95%. The Honor View 10 seems to be closing the gap. So another 5 minutes later, the Honor View 10 is at 93% and the OnePlus 5T at 97%. It seems the OnePlus 5T has slightly slowed down. At 1 hour 20 minutes, the Honor View 10 is at 95% and the OnePlus 5T at 98%. At 1 hour and 25 minutes, the Honor View 10 is at 97% and the OnePlus 5T at 99%. The OnePlus 5T is fully charged as indicated by the notification LED. At 1 hour and 30 minutes, the Honor View 10 is at 98%. At 1 hour and 35 minutes, the Honor View 10 is at 99%. And at 1 hour and 36 minutes, it's at 100%. It might have been earlier, there was no LED indicator, so we'll just leave it at 1 hour and 36 minutes. So there you have it, the OnePlus 5T won the test by about 11 minutes. But you have to bear in mind the battery was smaller than the Honor View 10. If you pay close attention, you can notice the Honor View 10 was actually charging more milliamp per hour than the OnePlus 5T. So what did you think? Which phone is the winner here? Do let me know in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time here, then please consider subscribing to see more content. Like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.